Hi everybody, here's our fourth and final video. That's assuming the third one that I did for my phone does upload. So that one's on equivalent units of production. Make sure you see it first in case the timing gets off here. So this is the fourth and final one, and this is how we make all the cost happen. So up at the top here, we're going to have beginning WIP plus cost added, DMDL OH applied, and those are going to go onto our WIP inventory T account just like always. So we're going to total those up. And then new, what we're going to do now is we're going to take that total cost and we're going to divide it by the equivalent units of production, how much work we did, 4,900 equivalent units of work in the last example. And that's going to get us a cost per equivalent unit of production. So truly all we're doing there is taking all the costs for the period. The reason it's called weighted average is we're lumping together beginning WIP and cost added. And we're just doing a big old average, and that gives us an average per bottle of Coca-Cola, apple cider, adult beverage, whatever. Now we're going to use that cost per equivalent unit of production to cost out then the journal entry to take units out of our WIP into the next department and to prove out the value of the ending WIP. So for cost transferred to the next WIP, we're going to take the number of units that were transferred, those are all 100% done, times the cost per equivalent unit of production, and that's going to give us the dollar amount to go out. The ending WIP, we're going to take the units in ending WIP times the percentage complete. So in Exhibit 4-6, which we used in Video 3, 400 units at 25% complete would be 100 units times the cost per equivalent unit. That'll give us that cost, and that's what remains in ending WIP, those costs added together. So the trick for all of this is beginning plus cost added minus cost transferred out must be cost ending. So that dollar amount up there is going to agree to this dollar amount down here. So the next section that you work on in your homework is this one, and in the outline I did for you. And then you're going to do this section in your homework, and then it's going to end up by reconciling the top part to the bottom part and making sure everything matches. When you get to that, your test, as I've put on your work paper that's posted to Sakai, your overview, is if you do, I think it's exercise 8, which brings it all together, then you've got chapter 4 skills nailed. You're ready to go to problem 13, which is in the homework for Tuesday, which will give you more practice at doing this. Make sure when you're preparing for Tuesday's class that you also see that we've got Appendix 4B coming up, service department allocations, and we'll spend a lot of time on Tuesday there as well. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.